In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Robinhood Screener. The Robinhood Stock Screener is a powerful tool to help you find stocks that meet specific criteria. These criteria include price, trading volume, market capitalization, dividend yield, analyst ratings, and more. You can use preset screeners or create your own custom screener. This flexibility allows for a tailored approach to stock selection, which is crucial in making informed investment decisions. Let's start by logging into Robinhood. Open Robinhood in your browser. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to access your account. This step is important because it ensures that you have access to all the features, including the stock screener. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a screener. In the Lists section, you'll notice a plus button. Click it to begin. This action will present you with the option to select Create Screener. Selecting this option is crucial because it allows you to tailor your stock searches based on specific criteria that matter to you. Now, let's apply some filters. You can choose a preset screener or opt to create a custom one. The choice depends on whether you want a quick start or a more personalized approach. After selecting your screener type, add the filters you want. These filters could be based on any number of criteria, such as market cap, dividend yield, or analyst ratings. Remember, saving this screener for future use is highly beneficial. It allows you to quickly revisit your criteria without starting from scratch each time. To give you a clearer picture, let's explore some example screeners. If you're interested in finding large established companies, set the market cap filter to large. Pair this with analyst ratings set to buy or hold, and ensure the average volume filter is set to high. This approach helps identify stable companies with positive analyst reviews and significant trading activity. For those interested in dividend stocks, you might set the dividend yield filter to high. Combine this with a market cap of mid or large and a P/E ratio that is reasonable. This combination is effective because it targets companies that not only provide returns through dividends but also have robust financial profiles. If you are on the lookout for active movers, you could set the daily percent change to high, today's volume to high, and mark the new 52-week high as yes. These filters are great for spotting stocks that are currently experiencing significant movement. Active movers can present opportunities for short-term gains, but remember to exercise caution due to potential volatility. These examples are purely for educational purposes. They are not investment recommendations. Robinhood emphasizes that screeners should be used as educational tools and combined with your own research. This ensures a more comprehensive analysis before making investment decisions. Finally, let's go over editing or deleting a screener. Open the saved screener you wish to modify. Tap or click the menu, which is represented by 3 dots. From there, select either Edit or Delete Screener. This functionality is vital as it provides flexibility in managing your screeners, allowing you to adapt to new strategies or remove outdated ones. With these steps, you are now equipped to efficiently use the Robinhood Stock Screener. By understanding and utilizing this tool, you can better navigate the stock market and make more informed investment choices. Thank you for watching, and happy investing!